Hey there, laundry enthusiasts. Are you tired of waiting hours for your clothes to air dry? Frustrated with damp, musty-smelling laundry? Or maybe you're living in a small space and need a compact solution that doesn't sacrifice performance? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving deep into the world of clothes dryers to find the absolute best options on the market right now. I've spent the last 3 months testing these machines in real-world conditions, everything from delicate silks to heavy denim, from small loads to stuffed to the brim cycles. I've measured drying times, energy consumption, noise levels, and even how wrinkled clothes come out. After all this testing, I've ranked the top 7 dryers that deliver exceptional performance across various needs and budgets. Starting our list at number 7 is the Auertech 10 pounds portable dryer, a compact option designed for those with limited space. When I first unboxed this unit, I was impressed by its sleek, steel gray finish and relatively small footprint. Setting it up was straightforward, though I did notice the instruction manual seemed poorly translated, which made some of the setup steps confusing. After a bit of trial and error, I got it running and loaded it with a small batch of t-shirts and socks. The Auertech features a 10-pound capacity spinner, which is decent for a portable unit. During my testing, I found it could handle about 4 to 5 t-shirts and a few pairs of socks in one go. The stainless steel drum is a nice touch at this price point, and it did seem to resist odors and staining during my month of testing. However, I noticed that clothes sometimes got tangled during the drying process, which led to some items remaining damp while others were completely dry. This inconsistency meant I often had to run a second cycle for certain items, which was frustrating and time-consuming. When it comes to drying performance, the results were mixed. On the positive side, the dryer does heat up quickly and can remove moisture from lighter fabrics efficiently. I was able to dry a load of t-shirts in about 40 minutes, which isn't bad for a portable unit. Coming in at number 6 on our list is the Midea MLTE37N1BWW, a 6.7 cubic foot electric dryer that offers a step up in capacity from our previous entry. When this unit arrived, I was immediately struck by its clean white design and more substantial build quality. Installation was relatively simple, though it does require standard dryer venting, which might be a consideration for some living situations. Once set up, I was eager to put it through its paces with various load types. The Midea boasts 12 preset cycles and a sensor dry system that's designed to detect moisture levels and adjust drying time accordingly. In my testing, I found this feature worked reasonably well with standard cotton items like t-shirts and towels. However, when dealing with mixed loads or synthetic fabrics, the sensor seemed less reliable, sometimes stopping too early with clothes still damp or running longer than necessary. This inconsistency was disappointing, especially since the sensor dry feature is prominently marketed as a key selling point. One aspect I appreciated was the unit's 4 temperature levels, which provided good versatility for different fabric types. The wrinkle care option, which tumbles clothes after the cycle completes, did help reduce wrinkles in my dress shirts and pants. The drum size is generous enough to handle larger items like comforters, though I found that king-size bedding still needed to be carefully arranged to dry evenly. The reversible door is a thoughtful touch that allows for flexible placement in your laundry setup. Moving up to number 5, we have the Beyond AI Portable Compact Tumble Dryer from the Laundry Alternative. This innovative little unit immediately caught my attention with its unique cylindrical design and lightweight construction. Weighing just 26.5 pounds, it was by far the easiest dryer to move and position during my testing. The white finish gives it a clean, modern aesthetic that wouldn't look out of place even in visible areas of your home. What sets the Beyond AI apart from other portable dryers is its intelligent technology. True to its name, this dryer uses artificial intelligence to monitor multiple indicators in real time, including clothing temperature, weight, moisture content, and even how the clothes are tangling. During my testing, I was impressed by how the dryer adjusted drum direction and speed based on what was happening inside. This resulted in more even drying compared to the lower-ranked portable options, with fewer damp spots and less wrinkling overall. The dual motor system is another standout feature that proved its worth in real-world use. Unlike most compact dryers that use a single motor for both the drum and blower, the Beyond AI has independent motors for each function. This allows for more sophisticated operation. The drum can slow down or reverse, while the blower maintains optimal airflow. I found this particularly effective when drying delicate items like dress shirts, which came out with noticeably fewer wrinkles than from other compact dryers I tested. At number 4 on our list is the BLACK+DECKER BC37 compact dryer, a versatile and reliable option that bridges the gap between portable and full-sized units. When I first received this dryer, I was impressed by its substantial build quality while still maintaining a relatively compact footprint. At 23.6 inch by 21.5 inches by 27.5 inches, it's small enough for apartments, but offers a generous 3.5 cubic foot capacity that can handle larger loads than most portable options. Setting up the BLACK+DECKER was refreshingly simple. Unlike many dryers that require 220-volt outlets, this model plugs into standard 120-volt household outlets, making it accessible for virtually any living situation. It comes with a 4-inch diameter vent hose and exhaust connector, though I found it could also be used without external venting in well-ventilated spaces. During my testing period, I appreciated this flexibility when moving the unit between different testing locations. The performance of the BCED37 was consistently impressive across various fabric types. With 1,500 watts of drying power, it tackled everything from delicate synthetics to heavy cotton towels effectively. The 4 drying modes, air dry, cool, warm, and hot, provided appropriate options for different fabrics and load types. I found that a medium-sized load of mixed clothing dried completely in about 60 to 70 minutes on the hot setting, which is reasonable for a compact unit. The sensor dry feature worked reliably, preventing overdrying while ensuring clothes came out properly moisture-free. One feature that particularly stood out during daily use was the transparent front-loading door, which allowed me to monitor the drying progress without interrupting the cycle. The stainless steel drum proved durable and prevented snags even with more delicate items. Taking the bronze medal position at number 3 is the Euhomy 1500-watt clothes dryer, a standout performer that combines robust features with thoughtful design. Upon unboxing, I was immediately impressed by the unit's solid construction and premium feel. The clean white exterior with a large viewing window gives it a modern aesthetic that would complement most laundry spaces. With dimensions of 23.6 by 22, Euforton's 27 inches, it maintains a relatively compact footprint while offering an impressive 3.52 cubic foot capacity. The Euhomy's performance during my testing period was consistently excellent across various fabric types and load sizes. The 1500-watt heating element brings the drum temperature up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, providing powerful drying capability without damaging delicate fabrics. I was particularly impressed with how quickly it handled heavy items like bath towels and jeans, which were thoroughly dried in about 45 to 50 minutes. The stainless steel tumbler rotated smoothly and quietly, preventing clothes from tangling while ensuring even heat distribution throughout the load. One of the Euhomy's most innovative features is its front and back flip function, which I found genuinely effective at preventing wrinkles and ensuring uniform drying. Unlike some dryers that simply tumble in one direction, this bidirectional movement kept clothes from balling up and developing damp spots. The LCD control panel was intuitive to use, providing clear information about the selected cycle and remaining time. I appreciated the 4 specialized drying modes: strong for larger items, intelligent, which adjusts based on humidity, eco for small loads and energy savings, and normal for everyday use. Climbing to the number 2 spot on our list is the Kenmore 268202, a sophisticated 4.0 cubic foot ventless dryer that brings premium features to a compact form factor. When this unit arrived, I was immediately struck by its professional-grade build quality and thoughtful design elements. The clean white exterior houses a wealth of advanced technology that became apparent during my extensive testing period. The standout feature of this Kenmore model is its ventless condensing drying system, which eliminates the need for external ducting. This provides remarkable installation flexibility, a significant advantage for condos, apartments, or interior rooms where venting to the outside isn't possible. During my testing, I placed the unit in various locations that would be impossible with traditional vented dryers, and it performed flawlessly in each setting. The condensed moisture collects in an easy-to-empty water tank with a helpful indicator light that alerts you when it needs emptying. The sensor drying technology on the Kenmore 2681BWW was among the most accurate I tested. Using humidity sensors, it precisely measured moisture levels in the clothing and adjusted cycle times accordingly. This prevented both the frustration of damp clothes and the energy waste and fabric damage of over-drying. I tested this feature with everything from heavy bath towels to delicate dress shirts, and it consistently delivered perfectly dried results. The stainless steel drum, backed by a lifetime warranty against rust and corrosion, provided smooth operation and gentle treatment of fabrics. Taking the crown as our #1 pick is the exceptional Kenmore 2669162, a full-sized electric dryer that combines cutting-edge technology with unmatched performance and reliability. From the moment I began testing this powerhouse, it was clear this machine was in a class of its own. The sleek design houses a massive 7.0 cubic foot capacity drum that handled even my largest test loads with ease, from king-size comforters to weeks' worth of family laundry. The Kenmore 2669162's performance consistently impressed me throughout the testing period. Its powerful heating element and precisely engineered airflow system dried even the heaviest loads quickly and uniformly. When I tested it with a large mixed load of towels, jeans, and t-shirts, everything came out perfectly dry in just under 40 minutes, significantly faster than any other model I tested. The Smart Dry Ultra technology uses dual moisture sensors and temperature monitoring to deliver precise drying results every time, preventing both underdrying and harmful overdrying that can damage fabrics. One feature that truly sets this Kenmore apart is its Wrinkle Guard Plus technology. This advanced system goes beyond basic tumbling by maintaining the optimal temperature and motion pattern to prevent wrinkles from setting. During my testing, I intentionally left loads of dress shirts and pants in the dryer for hours after the cycle completed and was amazed to find them still wrinkle-free when I finally removed them. For busy households where immediate unloading isn't always possible, this feature alone can save countless hours of ironing. Final thought. And there you have it, our comprehensive countdown of the 7 best clothes dryers on the market today. From portable options for small spaces to full-sized powerhouses for busy households, there's a perfect dryer for every need and budget. I hope this guide helps you find the ideal solution for your laundry needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and guides.